Good evening.
How are you all?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. So first of all, I would like to say thanks to my respected sir who has given me this golden opportunity. Today I will tell you about the women's job and about something about their business. Everyone know that a job is also important for everyone. That it doesn't matter it is man and a woman. If they both are doing job, then their life will become simple a lot of. But if a single person do job and the second one hold the house, means if his wife hold the house, then I think men are not giving them a lot of respect. Because of that, they think that my wife is also do the household work and there's no and on his no a lot of load, and she don't employed any other place, and she never heard the taunt of the boss, and I also heard the taunt of the boss. So that's why they think that means they do a lot of hard work, but they don't think that a woman do whole life salary less work, means she never demand money for their work. She do work a whole life. She serve a whole to his whole family, and she never said that I do this type of work, then you give me the salary of my work. But people can't understand that this is also I think a job for a woman, but it is a respectless job for them. But in our area, means our town is a small town, and there's no a lot of facilities, just like no any office is situated when the women do job, and there's no any factory situated then where the women do job. But in our area, women do the business, means everyone, I think that a lot of women do business in our area. They open any type of shops, and they open shops, and they start teaching. Because in our area, girls means I think girls mostly girls want to join the line of teaching, because there's no a lot of facility about offices and any other job. Then if they start business, then a lot of people think that if she is doing a lot of hard work. But in my place, means there's only single shop of a woman, and when she opened it, then those people who also opened his shop on their place, then they tried a lot of to leave them, to means leave them from here, because they think that if a woman do job between us, then our value is also become low. But they tried a lot, and that woman have a lot of courage, and she never think that I leave this place, and she opened the shop of a general store, and also she started stitching the clothes, and now she earned enough money for fulfill the demand of their family, because she live in present and she live in his parental home, not in his in-laws home. Because of some reasons she come here and she start doing this type of business, and while saw that woman, the mostly women of my place, they also start doing this type of work, means if anyone have any type of skill, then they start that type of work. And now a lot of women do stitching, and they do crafting, they apply mehendi, means on if anyone's wedding is happened, then they also applied mehendi, and they take money for it. And village, women also do business by it. And in cities means women have a lot of opportunity to do any type of job and do any type of big business. If they are educated, then they do any type of job and any type of big business. But in my opinion, means it doesn't matter if a woman is educated or not. If she want to do anything, any big thing in his life, then if he has a skill and if she has a courage, then she also do it. Just like now, everyone have a lot of opportunity. Just like you saw a lot of homemakers who bake cakes in his home and sell. And I also saw a lot of people who bake cakes and means a lot of women also do this. They bake cakes and sell. And they now in present time the facility of cloud kitchen is also increased day by day. And people also use it. Means if anyone have a skill of cooking, then they also use the cloud kitchen. And if the all people like his food, then they also the demand of his food is increased. Then while she earn a lot of money. Means if any girl do household work, then you know that people can't give them respect.